paid cash after prescribing drugs like Xanax and Oxycontin to patients who didn't really need the medication. He's even accused of writing one patient a prescription for nearly 400 pills of a very strong painkiller. Cooper Rummel, KNX 1070 News Radio.
The early summer box office in North America has developed a case of the blues. Revenue down sharply over the last year.
You may have noticed a lot more seats to choose from on your recent visit to a movie theater. The Hollywood Reporter says the